Attorney Medialdea. The Vice President, of course, is here as a member of the family, and she will be in the gallery, no, to witness the first hearing. So, hindi ko po alam kung mapagbibigyan yung hinihiring namin na ipagpaliban, pero wala naman akong dahilan para na naisip para hindi mapagbigyan yan kasi wala naman pupuntahan si Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nariyan na siya sa kulungan dito sa Dahig. So ipagpaliban nyo na ngayon kasi hindi pa namin nakikita ang dating Presidente. Buong araw, kahapon, hindi siya nakita dahil di umano siya ay binigyan ng medical examination. So ngayon pa lang, ang problema dito sa ICC ay daming papel bago mo makita. No? So we have just submitted the form to visit him para hindi naman kauna-unang beses makikita sila ni Vice President dito sa hukuman. Ako, I feel strongly that before the hearing, not only I should be able to have access to him as a member of the Least Counsel of the Court, but the family should have access to him. So actually, ang priority ko is to make sure magkita muna silang mag-ama. Dahil hindi pa alam ni Presidente na nandito si Vice President. No? Parang it's not proper naman na hindi alam ng ama na nandito yung anak niya. So I'm more or less attending on this first day of hearing, a family matter that I want them to see each other outside of the court first so they can have a private moment.
Attorney, what do you call the postponement? Is there a legal term for that?
Wala naman. It's the same. Okay? Alam mo yun, the procedure is similar to Philippine procedure. Ang difference lang is before arraignment and before it goes to proper trial, meron tinatawag na confirmation of charges. And in the confirmation of charges, they will establish that there really is probable cause and that there really is jurisdiction. But I do not know if I can be registered in time for the hearing today. But in addition to the postponement, if I am recognized today, and I'm not sure yet, because we just did all the papers today, I will also bring the issue of the illegality of the arrest of the former president. Yes. That should lead to the court losing its jurisdiction. And I will be citing case law from the Constitutional Court of South Africa that an illegal arrest is sufficient to divest the court of jurisdiction because you cannot right a wrong by the commission of another wrong. In addition to the lack of jurisdiction because we had withdrawn from our membership and of course the preliminary investigation commenced beyond the date that we have the duty to cooperate. But of course, everything hinges on if I will be recognized today as counsel. But right now, we have to leave because we want to see the president before he is brought to court.
So just to be clear, sir, you said it has been sent privately already. Yung request to postpone this particular
No, it has not been. It will have to be asked in the hearing today.
Today, okay.
Paano po pag hindi po napagbibigyan ang
Sir,
well,
ko sa iyo,
ano po ang next plan ninyo?
Ang mangyayari lang naman, kung hindi mapagbibigyan is sasabihin lang kung ano yung nature of charges. But it is not an arraignment. It is just to make sure he understands the nature of the charges against him, not an arraignment.
Saan niyo po ihahain yung postponement?
In court na, wala nang panahon kasi. Kasi alam nyo, itong notice came very late also. We had just arrived yesterday. And of course, nauna sila. VP came next evening of yesterday and I came yesterday then. No? And actually yesterday we had no access to him because he was undergoing medical exam, no? And he was not here. No? And for a while we were even alarmed where he was, but he was apparently subjected to medical examination. So it's only now, so pagbigyan na muna natin na magkita muna yung mag-ama. Okay? Can we do that?
Nasaan po si E.S. Medialdea ngayon?
I think he is in the detention facility.
He's with the...
We're going to the detention facility now. Please don't follow kasi hindi rin kayo magbibigyan ng access doon. Ha? Okay?
Thank you, attorney.
Few words in English. Like, what are your first steps?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here with the Vice President of the Republic, the daughter of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. We will be attending the hearing. There's only been one lawyer recognized, who is Attorney Medialdea, who was the lawyer who flew with him to The Hague. We are entering our appearance.
Any statement lang po since you haven't seen your father since you arrived pala?
So,
is that true?
As I announced earlier, we'll do the Q&A later. So,
Hindi pa kayo kasama. Okay.
We'll do the Q&A later. Thank you.
Meron pong bang time mo?
JC will give you details. Today, promise. I promise you. We'll just need to do the paperwork that everyone from inside is asking from us.
Ingat po, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Pwede po magpa-picture sa lobby.
Ma'am, laban na gid, ma'am. Basta gwapa lang gid ta ni ma'am.
Gusto ko iparating ng mga taong
Basta Pilipina.
Basta Pilipina, gwapa gid ka, ma'am. Basta ikaw from the school.
Well, our expectation is they will allow us visit. They will give us permission to visit the former president. And the other one is we hope that they will allow our request to move to the initial appearance. Thank you.
Basta, ma'am, mag-ampo gimi, nag-i-move na gid. Gwapa biya ka.
Basta Pilipina, gwapa gid na. Di lang kayo ko sigurado sa mga Pilipino, mga lalaki.
Gwapa ka po ni ma'am.
Pilipina, I can assure you, upat ka buok ang atong Miss Universe.
Correct.
So, the Filipina beauty is known globally as exceptional, outstanding.
Correct, ma'am. Mani ko kagwapa, di na ako magawas, uy.
Salamat.
VP, salamat.
Kung gani, ninipat sa
VP,
Netherlands.
shoutout sa mga taga-Botuan, kay idol, kay kanila.
Ay, oo.
Sambuanga po, madam.
Ay, salamat nga na ako, ma'am. Kay, gusto ko maghatag, gusto ko magbigay ng mensahe sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan kahapon, nung isang araw, ngayon, na patuloy na nagpapakita ng kanilang suporta sa ating dating Pangulo. Nakikita po natin yung kanilang mga peace rallies doon sa Pilipinas at sa iba't ibang lugar sa mundo. So nagpapasalamat tayo na merong nagdadasal, marami ang nagdadasal, napakahalaga nun. Pangalawa, nagpapakita ng suporta at nagpapakita ng suporta at nagpapahayag ng kanilang nararamdaman.
Of course.
Huwag nating kalimutan na ang problema ng bayan ay hindi ang mga Duterte.
Correct.
Tama po.
Ang totoong problema ng bayan, kayong lahat nandito kayo, nakikipagsapalaran kayo sa ibang bansa dahil walang oportunidad doon sa ating bansa. Patuloy ang kahirapan,
Check.
patuloy ang kagutuman, patuloy na walang nangyayaring kaunlaran. Nakikita nyo yung Netherlands, di ba?
Yes po.
Gusto natin maging Netherlands ang
Correct.
Pilipinas.
Yes.
Pero
Bukas na ba, ma'am?
bakit ba hindi nangyayari yun? Yun yung tanong natin
Yes.
sa
Mag-president ka na, ma'am.
Bukas na, ma'am. Mag-president ka na, ma'am.
Ma'am, mag-president ka na, ma'am.
Huwag natin kalimutan yun.
Ma'am, nandito
Na
lang kami
hindi-
para sa inyo.
Ako ang problema
Correct.
dahil
Kita po namin lahat yun,
dahil
ma'am. Alam
bakit
po
nga ba ako
namin
nagiging
lahat.
problema? Dahil
Tanda.
Maganda po.
Maganda.
Tuod sa kagwapa ni mo, kulbaan sila, VP. Isang ako yung ano mo, muli na lang po, uy.
Supporting you. So what your expectation today?
well, yes, as I said earlier, our expectation is that we will be given permission to visit since we are already complying as we speak with all the documents that they are asking of us. And then the next is we truly pray and hope that the court will listen for our request just to move the initial appearance so that we can have time to sit down with the former president and discuss what are the ways forward in his case. Thank you.
Ma'am, salamat.
Balik tayo
Shout out
sa
sa may taga-Botuan, ma'am. Taga-Botuan, ma'am. Love kay Kanamo, Mindanao.
Kulbaan tayo ng mga in-English.
Man, Mindanao. Bisaya ra ni ma'am.
Mga traidor.
Unsay sekreto nga nung gwapa manggid kay ka, ma'am? Pwede ra po nimo dito bagon.
Prayers daw ingon.
Ma'am, kumusta ang pag-stay mo dito sa ma'am? Kumusta ang pag-stay mo dito sa Netherlands?
Oo.
Tugnaw, ma'am.
Ito na ma'am.
Now, maayo. Kung makita ninyo kanang fur na gid ako ang gigamit no. Kay para mabugnawan ang panuhot.
Yes.
Kay ang
Nama kay sa lampas.
Nami haplas dito kung kinahanglan nimo.
ang ako ang amiga gikan na London ang iyahain taong gidala kay efficacy and oil lang. Mura gyud ni ang ako ang matabang sa imo ha. So na ako
Mga hantod ka na sa dali ma'am.
Wala ko mikibalo kung hantod ka na sa amin.
Welcome ka sa balay, ma'am.
Ay,
Ako, kailangan namin yung presidente na pagkain.
Yes, may problema. Pagkain, may problema. Mga Hazel's Kusina dira.
Ato ang pagtapok karong March 23 ha. Ayaw mo kalimot. Sunday na.
Kasi oras, ma'am. Ano yung oras, ma'am?
So, Saturday pa lang man, laban na mo ha. Kaya para Sunday pa lang may
Correct.
buhato.
Sige ma'am, yung mga free
Ma'am,
meal.
asa si Kong Paul?
Wala ko'y balita pa kay... pero ginapaanhin ako siya para makauli ko sa Pilipinas. So,
Ma'am, kumusta na po kayo? Nakapagpahinga na po kayo?
Jet lag pa ka, ma'am?
Kamu ang kamusta? Na ba may mga trabaho? Wala.
Meron!
Para ni mo, ma'am, irrelevant ka ng trabaho.
Tumakas po!
Para sa imo.
Ma'am.
Para kang former president sa imong papa, of
Kasi
course.
pagbalik ninyo, wala na may trabaho.
Okay lang yun, ma'am.
Nakita niyo pagkain, ma'am.
May approval ng napalit na po.
Pero ma'am, nagkita naman ni
Kanang
PRD, ma'am?
inyuhang paniguraduhon na amoy trabaho pag uli ninyo.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ang inyuhang mga pamilya sa Pilipinas,
Yes,
ang
ma'am.
edukasyon sa inyuhang mga pariente, importante kaayo na
Once
inyong
in a
mga anak,
lifetime,
inyong mga
Reggie.
pag-umangkon. Mga breadwinner ba mo tanan?
Opo.
Yes, ma'am. Relax sa mi karon, ma'am, basta ikaw.
Mao na nga. Wala pa ma.
Mabet, may sandwich dito, ma'am. Oh.
Sige na. Itago lang na ninyo inyong sandwich kay tibok adlaw ba ta dinhi karon.
Correct, correct.
Ma'am, pang vitamin.
Pero ma'am,
Panigurado
aside sa-
ninyo. Thank you, ma'am.
Aside sa Netherlands, ma'am, kung ano pag nag-lunch stay po.
Pang energy.
Yes, ma'am. Of course. Salamat ha.
Pwede ka bigay sa'yo from Paris?
Salamat ma'am. Salamat.
Yan mga...
Kamu to na biyahe og 16 hours, 8 hours.
8 hours, ma'am.
Bisan pag 24 hours, basta makita lang ko na mo.
Salamat ka.
Apply ba kayo para makapasok sa court?
Walang reply, sir.
Walang reply from the email.
Kasi ano yun
Hatag
eh,
siyang oras and days.
limited
So,
seating.
first come, casual lang sa
Casual, yes, casual is
Ang
very
ato
good.
ang interview niya.
Yes.
Nagulat
VP, salamat kay VP. Stay strong lagi ka, VP.
Pag nakita niyo po si tatay, pakisabing mahal na mahal namin siya.
Thank you sa regalo. Ayaw na mo gasto para sa ako.
Prayers.
Kahambol gito kang VP.
Ayaw na mo gasto para
Maganda
sa
na,
ako.
mabait pa.
Okay ra ka.
VP, ayaw may kalimti nga pag presidente
Diyan na.
na.
Diyan na.
Kanang iampo nato sa Ginoo ang mga kada adlaw nato kung sa imong labo.
Ampo, di ka na mo perming.
Dadalhin ko na si VP kay presidente ngayon, ha?
Bigas kasi mong papa, VP.
We will be back. We will be back here by mga 1:30, ha?
Love you ka na mo. Thank you, attorney.
Paano na ito i-broadcast?
Broadcasted na po yan.
Tapos, paano ko ipopost?
Post na po yun automatic. Yan, save lang po. Thank you, attorney.
Attorney,
See you later. Dito lang
Ikaw
tayo.
yan, One News? Ikaw ba yan?
ako yan.
Ikaw nag-live?
Yung dalawa lang.
Hindi pa namin alam, pero
Okay, and then your lens is covered.
Yep, everything is switched off. It's gonna be on, don't worry. I will get there. Wait 1 sec. So you know who we are. We're there's 3 big news agencies.
Yes.
We're the French one. Where there's Reuters, AP, and us.
Right, yes.
Okay.
Can you register yourself with our
Yes.
media
Yeah,
accreditation?
if you could give me the information, or
Right.
so your colleague
They
can
will
give me.
give you. I gave JC's.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Yes. I will not entertain questions, but I'll give a statement
Please.
for you so that you can do your job. Okay. Our expectations today, number 1 is that we be given permission to visit the former president. We are waiting for the papers. We already submitted all the requirements. And then next is we are praying and hoping that the courts will grant our request to move the initial appearance, just so that we can properly sit down with the former president and discuss the legal strategies, since we haven't talked to him yet. So that is just my update and expectations for today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, baby. Love you.
Malamping, ma'am. Malamping.
See you later po, ma'am. Ingat po kayo.
I love you.
Smiley sa vlog ka na mo, VP, ha?
Vice Pres. Ma'am, gusto mo pag ano, para hindi ka malabigan?
Magbabalik po po sila dito.
Para hindi ka malabigan? God bless. Bye-bye. God bless. Real support. Hi, BP. Ano siya? Mamaya magbabalik po ulit sila. So, dadalawin muna niya.
Okay, nihawa na.
And live sa ta?
End na daw eh.
And
Oh.